Hey everyone, it's Mindy Banks, the Flip Flop Chef. I hope you guys are doing great today. I want to show you how to do this really cool trick to shred cabbage, whether you're making coleslaw or maybe egg roll in a bowl, which is what I'm making tonight. So I just have some cabbage. I cut this into quarters, remove the core. I'm gonna add some water to the blender. And then, I didn't measure that, I'm just kind of putting some in there. So that this is gonna wash it and chop it. I cannot wait to show you this. All right, so you don't wanna pulse it or blend it for very long because it'll just turn it into like cabbage water. But I'm gonna drain this off and show you the results. All right, so I poured off everything that was in the blender, and check this out. The water is in the bowl, and this is perfectly shredded for coleslaw or for egg roll in a bowl. So let me know what you guys think about this, because I think this is pretty awesome. All right, I wanted to show you guys, I did some purple cabbage too, and squeezed all of the excess moisture out of this, so now it's ready for our dinner. Like I said, you could use this for a coleslaw, or you can use it for your egg roll in a bowl. So for coleslaw, you're gonna get that same texture as the old Chick-fil-A coleslaw, if you guys are familiar with that. It's something they don't have anymore, but it was something that the dwarf houses used to carry. And so for egg roll in a bowl, you're gonna have a much more fine chop than what you would normally do if you cut this with a knife, but I think it's gonna turn out just fine. So let me know what you think about this.